Today we'll be familiarizing you with ordering date stamps. Begin by choosing Services. In the drop-down, select Print and Copy. Here you'll find all of our different stamps and printing services. Scroll down to Custom Stamps. Select it. Choose the Date Stamp tile by clicking Shop Now. There are many different sizes and types to choose from for date stamps. First, determine if you need a self-inking stamp or a pre-ink stamp. Then, determine what size you need. Some stamps have just the date, while others provide room for customizations. Choose Customize to begin creating your stamp. Select your desired design option by clicking on it. You can edit and customize the text that you want by selecting a font, color, style, and size. You can finish by adding dates, signatures, and anything else you'd like. If you want to use a logo, be sure that the logo has been saved to your computer. Then you can choose your file and upload it here. If you'd like a border or artistic icons for your stamp, you can choose one in the Elements section. Click Preview to preview your stamp. You can also choose to see a PDF preview that can be shared or downloaded. Once you pick Next, it will be added to your cart. From here, check out or continue shopping. Or choose a copy and you can make a new stamp by changing only certain elements without starting from scratch. Add to cart by following the same process from the original stamp. Thank you so much for choosing ODP.